Hey y'all! For today's video, I'm going to be doing a do-it-yourself Diva ring light how-to. I've always wanted a ring light to use for videos, but didn't really want to spend $200+ on one. And I take pride in being savvy, so when I came across some DIYs, I knew I had to try it. I decided to make my own video because I did things a little differently. In most of the videos I seen, wax paper was used, but I chose to go with parchment paper. Also, there are 3 different kinds of LEDs: soft white, bright white, and daylight, and I chose to go with the daylight for a more white light instead of the yellow light that soft white provides. Best of all, everything cost under $25, and I got everything from Walmart.com, which I'll link all the items I used in the description box below. The cardboard that I'm using is just the cardboard that came with the wire wreath, and it's great because there are 2 sides that came with it, so if you mess up cutting, you can use the other side. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to outline the wreath on your cardboard. So I just used a permanent marker and drew the outline and cut it out. And I think that cutting out the cardboard was probably the hardest part of this whole thing. It was just really awkward. As you see, I kind of cut the pieces off as I went so they weren't getting in my way. Okay, so I'm still Team Android, but I don't know what happened. My phone just stopped recording in the middle of this, and so it skipped the next step. So where we pick up is going to be attaching the lights. But the next step after you get done cutting out your cardboard is you're just going to attach the aluminum foil to the cardboard. I cut it out in small strips and wrapped it around the circle. Then what we're going to do next is we're going to attach the lights to the wreath. Now you want the wreath poking out towards you, so you're going to use the back. And then you're going to wrap the lights starting around the outside. You want to start with the part of the light that doesn't have a plug and put that part on the outside. That way, when you get towards the inside, you can attach the plug so it hangs down in the back, so you can plug it in and it doesn't affect your lights. Okay, so when you get done attaching all your lights, now I used a 16-foot rope light, just for reference. When you get done attaching everything, we're going to cut off the zip ties, and then we're going to attach the wreath to the aluminum foil. So as you can see, I started to put parchment paper around this, but I didn't like the way that it looked, so I just took it off and didn't use any parchment paper. So here is the result. Regular light, no light. Ooh, look at that ring light. I love it.